In social research, studying an entire population is rarely feasible, whether we're examining voting behavior, health trends, or even student study habits. That's where sampling comes in, the process of selecting a smaller, manageable group to represent the whole. But getting it right is crucial because a flawed sample can lead to flawed conclusions. Sampling allows researchers to gather data efficiently without surveying every individual in a population. Imagine trying to interview every university student in the country. It's impractical. Instead, we select a sample. But this assumption is sustained only if the sample is well chosen. And that's where many studies go wrong, meaning most of them ultimately being classified as invalid.
Sampling and logical fallacies. Sampling errors often stem from fallacies, meaning flawed reasoning that distorts findings. Some of these errors are ecological fallacy, assuming group characteristics apply to individuals; reductionism, overgeneralizing and applying individual characteristics to a group. One athlete excels on this diet, so it must work for everyone. Spuriousness, confusing correlation with causation. Teleology, using destiny as an explanation. Tautology, circular reasoning. Avoiding these traps is key to credible research. To sample effectively, we need clear methods. Random sampling gives everyone an equal chance, ideal but often difficult in practice. Convenient sampling is, for example, surveying classmates, which is easier but risks bias. Sampling frame is the actual least used. Sampling error refers to the gap between sample results and reality. Confidence intervals is the range within which the true value likely falls.
So there's two types of sampling. First is non-probability sampling, and under that we have accidental, which means we approaching random available person, for example, doing a mole survey. Purposive, we target specific trait of person who we want to interview, for example, interviewing nurse about the COVID-19 during the pandemic in the hospital. Snowball is a method that the person who being asked can refer to other who may know the answer. For example, we doing a survey about undocumented immigrants who know about the others in the same community. Coda is a sampling method where researcher can divide population into a subgroup based on their specific characteristic, for example, age or gender, and then select predetermined numbers of participants from each group to ensure that they are proportional related. Second, we have probability sampling, and under probability sampling we have symbol random, which means we choose the people randomly. Systematic, we select a person with an order from the list. This means every person has an order from the list and we select them. Stratified, dividing the population into subgroups first by income or region and do the sampling. And each method has a trade-off. Researcher must weigh practicality against the precisions. Next thing, we wanna talk about the central limit theorem, which tells us that the larger random sample, the more yield reliable can be. So the next time we encounter a research, we will ask who was sampled and how, because robust sampling isn't just about technical detail, it's also about the foundation of credible social science. And after being done carefully, sampling can allow us to hear representative voice, not just the loudest one. And thank you for watching.